Hi guys, welcome back to the Low Sodium Queen, and today we're going to be making creamed spinach. It should be a quick side meal for everyone, and then we'll see what else I do today. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and get started. We're going to have our spinach here, all the basic ingredients that I'm going to be using, and of course, like always, that's going to be in the ingredients in the description below. And we're also going to be using shallots. Everything should be unsalted or low sodium side for your dinner one night. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and bring you over here and we're going to get started. Okay guys, we have our pan over here heating up so that we can put our shallots in, and then we'll add our garlic. So as soon as your butter melts completely and the pan gets a little bit warmer with the olive oil and everything, we will start cooking those items. It has started bubbling and you can see that it's ready for us to put the shallots in, so we're going to go ahead and do that and just let them sizzle before adding in our garlic. Now that these are done, we will go ahead and add in our garlic. We're going to go ahead and add in our 1 bag of spinach now. This is 1 cup of heavy cream, and then we're going to put in 1/2 cup of whole milk. Now we're going to add in our seasonings and our cheeses. And mine isn't simmering, so I'm going to turn up the heat just a little bit more until it's simmering, and that's what we want. This is about done, you guys. And then we will plate it. And I'll show you guys when it's completely done. Alright guys, it looks a little dark. I'm sorry for that. But this is how it looks. It's very creamy. And it tastes good because you added some cloves in there, so it gave a little bit of warmth to the meal. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you can think of anything else that you would like to see, or any other recordings in my future, please let me know. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Until next time, guys. Bye.